What's happening YouTube? Just doing a quick video for a few people that's been asking, do you want to see our tote bike stands, what have I done to it, how have I found it. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick review, try and keep this video short and sweet, I'll try and go over a lot of things. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, I don't know if you can see it here, but that's the back end of a Vauxhall Corsa 15 plate. The bike stands literally that high, so the seat comes just below the brake light. Handlebars just touch it window. So I mean, when I'm sat on it, I don't know if you can let me prop camera here so you can see it. When I'm sat on it, it's like the legs fit nice on it. Change gear, everything feels comfy. I've got a new air filter on it, 37mm one. Fuel filter, put that on straight away. I got a new carb as well, 26mm Mikuni carb. I've put a red skid plate on it. Got a red engine dress up kit. Put a iridium spark plug in it. All nice and clean. Same colour petrol cap. I have got lights and stuff for it, but as you can tell from the other videos, that one's got all lights and everything on it as well. But I just need a rear shock for that one because that one's bent. Look at that. But yeah, you can tell just from them size difference. That's a CRF 50 frame, 125cc, and that's a CRF 70 frame, 125cc. I've also put a new side casing on, also fully blown, really nice quality, good quality. Front sprocket cover from W Racing, really nice, matching obviously the rest of my red stuff. And inside there, I don't know if you can make it out, if you can see it, 17 tooth. I've put a 17 tooth front sprocket on it. It was originally 14, that's 14. So yeah, my gears last longer, so it's like, you know, you'll go longer in your gears. Other than that, spoke covers, put them on front and back as well. Got a nice little enduro bag from the service. Got that on back. It's got basically all my tools in it. I really can't emphasise how good it is to have one of these on your bike, because if fault ever happens, I mean, you've got everything there, haven't you? You know, I've got my sockets in there, Allen keys in that bag, all my spanners underneath. In here I've got a spare CDI, spare gear lever, lock thread, another CDI, fuel filters, spark plugs, everything that you're going to possibly need if anything happens when you're on go. So that's one thing I do suggest getting and putting on your bike straight away. But yeah, got me some nice one finger clutch on it, so easy to pull. So obviously the aim of the game is to keep your hands on the bars but be able to clutch it, you know what I mean? So I can do that with ease. Throttle cable, clutch cable, got them on, no ones, got spares. But yeah, that's about it. If you wanted to, you could lower it a bit. You could put the suspension into there, so it'd sit a little bit further down. But I don't like it. I don't like it like that. It feels a bit like a DTR 100, a bit of a farmer's bike. I don't like it. But yeah, other than that, I hope that covers everything that you were wondering. I've not had any issues with it so far, apart from an engine bracket that broke, which is that one. So it broke off in two places. So that's off the left hand side there. The right hand side's fine, it's alright. But with the left hand side, it's not actually the right bracket. Well, it's supposed to, they're saying it is, but as you can clearly see that the old one, the original, has got more of a kink in the middle than the new one. And the problem that lies with that is I can't get a bolt in that hole. I'll have to Dremel the rest of this off to be able to get an hole, you know what I mean, so I can put my bolt in there with a washer, tighten it up. But it is all solid at the moment. I mean, it is fine, it's sturdy, it's not moving. But one thing I do suggest is not buying from Funbikes, to be honest, because they're an horrible company. Over the past few days I've been trying to get in touch with Funbikes. I have done, because like I say about these brackets here, I bought this bike in July 2019. It's now obviously July a year later, 2020. Now, when I got this bike, 3 months into it, that bracket broke. So obviously it's not been safe for me to ride it. So I've not been riding it. Funbikes, it were out of stock on their website for at least 7 months. So for 7 months, I've not really been on this bike. I've not been able to do anything. Now, I've rung Funbikes, explained the situation to them, because I went online and it said the bracket's now in stock. So ordered the item. I think I paid something like £7 something. Paid for postage, all 9 yards. Anyway, items come, and like I said, it's that item. So it's the wrong item. So I rung up, explained the situation to them, saying, look, it's not really fitting it. I mean, I've just made it fit now. Do you know what I mean? Because it is solid, like, but it's not the point. It's not 100% safe. It should have a bolt in there, and I shouldn't have to make that all bigger for me to get the bolt clearance. So yeah, I've rung them up, told them it's wrong. To be fair, they were sound. You know, acknowledge problem, saying they're going to send some more out, and they did. Sent the same part again. So obviously it's not going to work, is it? So I've rung them up. This time obviously I've, you know, escalated the situation a bit, because I'm getting a bit annoyed. Asked for the manager called Andrew at Funbikes. Gave me an email, andrew@funbikes.co.uk, which clearly ain't valid because he's not replying to him. But basically, I've gone back on their website, and that item is actually on their website, which I can show you. Just bear with me. So what I'll do is put in M2r pit bike CRF70 engine frame brackets, yeah? That's what I put in. And this is what comes up, look. That item there is that item. Right? So you click on that and it'll take you to Funbikes, and obviously that's the item I've been wanting, and they're not sending it there. So that product code is PCDDE75A. Now, what they have been doing is putting this an item, the same item, under the same product code, which I don't understand. I mean, how does that work? So they've been putting that item and this item under the two different product codes, but keep sending me that same item. They won't send me that one. And I was trying to ring them yesterday. I can find your call logs. So there you go, it's 0333251758. If I click on that and click that information, you can see all the times I've rung them. Look, so that number, 2nd of July, 18 minutes on phone. Just look at these times. And then all day yesterday, so it was the 15th, all this time I were on phone here, look. So every time they answered and I asked for a manager, they just put the phone down. Not even acknowledging me, they were just constantly just putting the phone down. Like there, look. So as a company, they're horrible, they're disgusting, they're just money grabbing. As soon as they get your money, they're not really interested if you need any parts or any aftercare, anything like that. They don't care. So if I were going to be honest, I wouldn't advise anybody to buy a bike from Fun Bikes. There's many other places you can get a pit bike from, such as Pit Bike Direct, Stomp, Demon X. You can get pit bikes from a lot of places. Lucky MX, you get it from there. But yeah, I wouldn't advise getting it. I mean, although it is, you know, the engine's fine and everything and what have you, but I mean, I paid for assembly on this as well, so it should have all, you know, been built to spec and come working. And to be fair, them brackets, no matter how much warranty you have on a vehicle, them brackets should have been made to, you know, last, not break within 3 months of me owning the vehicle. So yeah, that's my review about Fun Bikes, if I'm going to be honest. But overall, I hope this video has helped with a few questions that people were asking, such as a YouTuber called a boy that's wanted a dirt bike for 6 years. He's been asking a few questions, so I hope that this video's cleared it up for you. Got a lot more stuff to come on the channel. Got a lot more parts to come for this bike. I'm getting another one of these. I might get a red one though and get it on this one. I've got a new shock coming. That clutch there, I've just got one. It's just come, and it's gonna go on that bike. So that's gonna have a quick clutch on it, quick finger clutch. Bolt covers are gonna go on it, so it's gonna look a lot better. So yeah, there's Marley. Hey up, Miles. So yeah, if you're liking content, like I say, drop a like, because it helps me more than you know. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, stay tuned. Look after yourself. Until next time.